I burst on her brain, Nigerian citizen. More than see am, me I be Maroko boys o. For na the year Maroko, na who be Maroko boys. Me I be Kabiru Anabo, Oyemi. And I know me for Maroko. I be Maroko confirmed citizen, Maroko boy. Where Babangida, Sarah Saki, say make it break Maroko 1990. You understand me? Yoruba na betrayer and I will be. Man, I dey listen, my boss on her brain nicely. Yoruba people, they be betrayer. And I dey hear me. Yoruba will be betrayer. Me I be confirmed Yoruba boy. Me I be Kabiru Anabo. Me I be Maroko boy. Where Babangida send where Babangida send Nigeria Saki make it break. It was in Maroko then. He start from Awolowo. Awolowo God a betrayer. He betray people. A Yoruba person. Shey you dey feel me? Dey feel me? Abiola betray Awolowo sef. Alright. Obasanjo gan na Yoruba na betrayer. Shey you dey feel me? Tinubu gan na Yoruba na betrayer him be. Na him escort Abiola go Aso Rock go give Abacha. Man na dey lis ten to me. If una wan make Nigeria dey okay. Omo na Igbo people na fit control Nigeria wey go dey okay. Igbo no be betrayer. Yoruba na betrayer. Anything wey dem wan chop, dem go kakaki. Sure na dey feel me. Na Igbo people na fit control Nigeria make e dey okay. Wanna give Igbo people chance. Igbo dem get mind. Dem no be betrayer. Una dey feel me. You see Yoruba we betrayer. She dey feel me. See Dangote one I dey see so. Dangote no be Yoruba people dey carry money give am. No be government money im dey spend. Una dey sleep. Dangote go dey tell una say im get refineries. Ordinary citizen, one person go get refineries wey no be government. Una dey sleep. Una dey sleep. Una wake up. Una wake up, my guy. Ma burst una brain. Dem dey use una. Una no believe on Yoruba. Any Yoruba men na betrayer. Dem carry money give am go betray una. Oh boy, na Igbo na im go stand. Me I be confirmed Yoruba citizen o. Me I be Yoruba boy. I dey tell una truth today. Una lis ten to me. Me I be Kabiru Anabo. Na Igbo na fit control Nigeria wey Nigeria go dey okay. Igbo no be betrayer. Una forget. Yoruba na betrayer na who be o. Shey you dey feel me? Oh Maroko wey Nigeria Saki wey break 1990. Na Yoruba na im sell Maroko out o. You dey feel me? Na im dem dey call Oniru Estate, Oniru land, Oniburu dis thing now. Na Yoruba people na im dey there. Na dem sell you Maroko to government o. She dey feel me? Unto wetin dem wan chop. Oga, Mona no lis ten to them, but Mona give Igbo chance o. Na Igbo na fit control Nigeria nicely o. Me I dey burst on her brain o. All of them na betrayer dem be o. Me I don talk my own o.